take a leap of faith.
Let us make this cute bolero for 10 and 11-year-old girl. The chest size is about 30 and the shoulder is 11 across. And this is meant to flare at the bottom of the bodice. Of course, the overall size of the clothing will be affected by the size of yarn that I am using. And on this project, I use Yarnspirations Caron Cotton Cakes. And this is listed as category 4, but I look at it as more of a size 3 because it's a lot thinner than the regular medium weight yarn. Here are the tools that I'm using: stitch marker, a small scissor, a big-eyed needle, 3.25mm crochet hook. So let us begin. I'm going to hide the beginning yarn tail as I crochet the first round of flower motif. Make a slip knot, then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and join to the 8 chain from hook. Then coil the tail of the yarn around parallel to the chain like that. Then make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as the first triple crochet of a petal. Then 2 triple crochet together over the ring. To make a cluster of 3 triple crochets. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we yarn over twice so that you see 3 yarn overs or 3 loops around the hook, and insert hook over the ring and pull up a loop and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook for the second time, and then stop right there. This is an incomplete triple crochet, so yarn over twice and repeat. Draw up through 2 loops on hook, draw up through 2 loops on hook for the second time, and then yarn over twice and insert hook into the ring, yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hooks, then yarn over and draw through all loops on hook. So the second petal is made. So repeat the same with chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yarn over twice, insert hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook twice, that's 1, yarn over through 2 loops on hook the second time, then yarn over twice, insert hook into the ring and pull up a loop, yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook, then yarn over twice, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over and draw up through all loops on hook. And another petal is made, so keep repeating until there are a total of 8 petals.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone.
Now compress the stitches to accommodate all the petals, 8 of them all together. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more petals.
Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. I saw.
Then at the end of the round, after when 8 petals are made, then we chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on the top of the first petal. So I insert it sort of right there. I cut more than 1 strand of yarn to make sure that it's strong. And so the first round is made. This is all for now, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next sequence of this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe.